Hi guys, welcome to our video lecture. This is a short introduction and I'm actually going to post it early because there's some important information that you need on this page. So if you go into your modules, it's not posted there yet, which is why I'm using assignments, but it'll be there for you under modules. We are on day 1 and we're doing a program called Turtle Trash Collectors. This is a UNCW run program. It's typically for younger grade levels, but they have modified it to fit the needs of our class. So I'm pretty excited for that. We're actually going to do a mock or fake necropsy of a sea turtle and kind of discover, so necropsy is like an autopsy but for an animal, and often we do them to figure out either history of the animals or why they died. So in this case, we are going to kind of discover how this fake sea turtle died. Here's what I expect from you. So you should have already completed the pre-program survey. If not, the link is right here. This is actually going to be one of those classes where I need you to live zoom into the class. Now we're going to be doing the program from 10 to 10:50 a.m. on Monday, and we're also going to be doing it from 1:30 to 2:55 as well. The Zoom link is right there that she has set up for you, along with your passcode, which is turtles. So as we complete the electronic necropsy, please see the following data sheet. It's a Google sheet to fill out. It's right here. It's actually a Google form. This is how I'm going to record what you're doing, if you're paying attention, and all that good stuff. There are 3 pages, so you'll click next, and she's going to prompt you and help you fill this out as well, and then I'll get the results, and that's what you'll be graded on. And then after we've completed the program, they ask that you do a post-program survey to see what you've learned. As always, remember, I'm sorry, you don't have to edit this document, it's going to just be that sheet for you. But you're going to do this post-program survey. It's very similar to the pre. It's just going to see if you learned the key concepts that they were trying to teach you. Once you turn in the Google Sheet assignment, I'm going to get a notification with your name and how you did, your results. I would like you, so that you still submitted something in Canvas, to say, I have completed the assignment in Google Forms. Now, if you are a student who, for some reason, you cannot log in during school hours, I'm going to get her to record one of the Zoom sessions, so I'll post that link right in here when it's time, but obviously if it is before 10 a.m. on Monday, that's not going to be there because it's not ready. Alright, so be graceful. If you don't make this Zoom session, then you're going to have to wait for the Zoom link, or for the recorded lecture to be posted. I'll post it right in here. Okay, this is going to be exciting, so if you're around your computer, you're definitely going to want to be involved and interact with us as we do this turtle necropsy. It kind of relates to what we've studied as far as the processes of the hydrosphere, but it's really going to tie in what we're about to learn with how humans are impacting the hydrosphere, so the ocean and the fresh water, and I'm excited. It should be a great way to start our unit. So get ready, prepare yourself, and be at that Zoom. It'll be fun.